Hello lovelies and welcome back again to my channel. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. Today I share with you this delicious simple baked polo recipe. Let's make it. In a bowl I'll go in with my dry ingredients, and the first one I went in is my flour. I will then go in with some salt, nutmeg, baking powder, and then mix everything all together. I will leave the quantity of the ingredient in the description box below. If today is your first time of seeing my channel, hello, I'm Getty and nice to meet you. So at this point, I will add my margarine. If you have butter, you can also use it. So I will then mix it with my dry ingredients. Okay guys, so at this point, in order for you to make your polo, you need mature dry coconut, which I have already removed from the shell. So I went ahead to grate the coconut, and this is what I got. I'll also go in with my sugar. I'll add the grated coconut and then go in with some vanilla essence. So I'll also add some water and mix everything together to form a dough. While this is going on, I just want to appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for coming back to watch my videos, leaving a comment under my post. God bless you guys so much, and I won't have been here without your support. And also to my new families too, you guys are welcome on board. So I realized my water was not enough, so I added just a little water and then went ahead to mix it. Thank you so much. If you are still with me up to this time, please don't forget to like this video and also share this video among your friends and family to reach wider audience. So at this point, the dough is beautifully formed. I went ahead to spread some flour on my work surface and then roll the dough. Okay fam, so as you can see, I have rolled the dough to be flat, and I'll go ahead to trim the edges of the dough. After that, I will cut it into the desired shape and size that I prefer. We are on all socials: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. The name is Getty Cooks and it is totally free. You don't have to pay any amount. So guys, as you can see, this is the shape and the size that I'm going for. You can cut it in any shape of your choice. So after cutting, just this is the flatness that I'm going for. Okay, lovely. Here is our baked polo, which I'm going to bake. I've already preheated my oven, and so I wanted it crunchy, so I baked this for 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes, here is our baked polo, looking so lovely, and I really love the outcome. This was very crunchy as well. Let me know if you prefer the baked or the fried one in the comment section below. I really love this baked polo. This was delicious as well. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy watching, give it a thumbs up and also share this video. Till I come your way again, see you guys in my next one, and peace be with you all. Bye.